What's the secret ingredient to a thriving, dynamic goat herd? It might just be introducing a new buck, but what happens when you bring a newcomer into the mix? Will it shake up the herd's dynamics, spark chaos, or bring newfound harmony? The answer might surprise you. From reshaping hierarchies to supercharging genetics, a new buck can transform your herd in unexpected ways. Stick around to uncover the details and learn how to get it right. The role of a buck in your herd. Bucks are the driving force behind your herd's growth, vitality, and overall future. They aren't just there for breeding. They play a vital role in shaping the genetic makeup of your herd. A buck influences the size, health, temperament, and productivity of the next generation. Beyond genetics, bucks are key figures in herd dynamics. They often act as stabilizers, bringing balance to the group. A strong, calm buck can set the tone for the entire herd, while an aggressive or anxious one might create tension. This makes selecting and introducing a buck a decision that can significantly affect both short-term harmony and long-term success. First impressions matter. When a new buck enters the herd, all eyes, or rather all noses, are on him. Goats rely heavily on scent to communicate, and a new buck brings unfamiliar smells that the herd is quick to investigate. Expect a flurry of sniffing, nudging, and bleating. These behaviors are not just signs of curiosity. They are a way for goats to establish a social hierarchy. Number 1. Dominance testing. If there's an existing buck in the herd, he may see the newcomer as a threat. A few scuffles might occur, but these are usually short-lived and necessary to determine rank. Number 2. Cautious curiosity. The does and younger goats might approach the new buck with a mix of curiosity and caution, observing his behavior to gauge if he's a leader they can trust. To make the transition smoother, consider keeping the new buck in a separate but adjacent pen for a few days. This allows the herd to adjust to his presence without direct confrontation. The ripple effect on herd dynamics. Introducing a new buck doesn't just affect the buck himself. It sends ripples through the entire herd. Number 1. Hierarchy shifts. Goats are hierarchical animals. A new, confident buck may challenge the existing pecking order. This reshuffling can sometimes reduce conflicts in the long run if the new leader brings stability. Number 2. Breeding excitement. Does may become more active and synchronized in their breeding cycles when exposed to a new buck. His scent, behavior, and presence stimulate hormonal changes, making him irresistible to the females. Number 3. Social bonds. A new buck can influence how goats interact with each other. Over time, the herd often grows more cohesive as they adapt to his presence. Did you know? Bucks communicate dominance and readiness through body language, including head postures and tail movements. Observing these signs can help you understand the herd's response. Genetics, the game changer. The most significant impact of introducing a new buck lies in genetics. A well-chosen buck can dramatically improve your herd's traits over generations. Number 1, better milk production. If you're running a dairy operation, selecting a buck from high-yielding lineage ensures stronger offspring with improved milk output. Number 2, enhanced disease resistance. A genetically diverse buck reduces the risk of hereditary diseases and improves the herd's overall health. Number 3, improved temperament. Calm, friendly bucks are more likely to pass these traits on to their offspring, making the herd easier to manage. When choosing a buck, don't just consider his appearance. Look into his lineage, health history, and any proven traits that match your herd's goals. Investing time in research will pay off with a healthier, more productive herd. Common challenges and solutions. Introducing a new buck can come with its share of challenges. Here's how to handle them effectively. Number 1, fights between bucks. It's normal for a new buck to clash with existing males. Separate them temporarily if fights escalate, and reintroduce them gradually. Number 2, stress in the herd. A sudden newcomer can make the herd uneasy. Ensure there's enough space, food, and water to minimize competition. Number 3, health concerns. Always quarantine a new buck for 2 to 3 weeks before letting him join the herd. This precaution prevents the spread of diseases and parasites. By being proactive, you can avoid disruptions and create a smoother transition for everyone. Building bonds with your new buck. Forming a bond with your new buck is crucial for a smooth integration into the herd. A calm and trusting buck is not only easier to handle but also contributes positively to the group dynamic. Start by spending time near him daily, letting him get used to your presence. Offer treats like alfalfa cubes or goat-safe fruits to create positive associations. Speak in a calm, gentle tone and avoid sudden movements that might startle him. Regular grooming can also help build trust and comfort. Over time, your buck will begin to see you as a source of safety and care. Establishing this bond early ensures he remains cooperative during health checks or breeding activities. A well-adjusted buck not only thrives but also plays a pivotal role in maintaining a harmonious and productive herd. Long-term changes in the herd. Introducing a new buck brings gradual but significant changes to the herd. Over time, his influence on genetics becomes evident in the form of healthier, stronger kids. Traits like disease resistance, better growth rates, and improved productivity start shaping the future of your operation. Beyond offspring, the herd's social dynamics also settle into a new balance. While initial introductions may involve a reshuffling of hierarchy, the herd often grows more cohesive once roles are established. A calm and confident buck encourages a harmonious environment, reducing stress among all members. Preparing for breeding success. Breeding season is one of the most exciting times in goat farming, and a new buck plays a pivotal role in its success. To prepare, observe the does closely for signs of estrus, such as tail wagging, restlessness, and increased vocalization. Introduce the buck strategically during these times to ensure maximum effectiveness. Both bucks and does need optimal nutrition during this period. Provide a balanced diet rich in protein and essential minerals to support fertility and healthy pregnancies. Clean, spacious pens reduce stress, ensuring successful breeding sessions. Keep a record of breeding dates to anticipate kidding and prepare accordingly. Knowing when to expect kids allows you to make arrangements for extra care during the birthing process. Choosing the perfect buck. Selecting the right buck is essential for the success of your herd. Start by evaluating his physical health. Look for a shiny coat, strong legs, and an alert posture. These are indicators of vitality and overall well-being. Delve into his genetic background to ensure he carries traits that align with your herd's goals. For example, if you're breeding for dairy, choose a buck from a lineage of high-yielding milk producers. For meat production, focus on growth rates and muscular build. Temperament is equally important. A calm and friendly buck is easier to manage and less likely to cause disruptions during introductions or breeding. Enjoying the journey. Introducing a new buck is an adventure that offers lessons and rewards. Each goat in your herd has a unique personality, and watching them interact with their new leader can be fascinating. Celebrate small milestones, like the first time the herd grazes peacefully together or the arrival of your first kids from the new buck. These moments remind you why raising goats is such a fulfilling experience. Bringing a new buck into your herd is more than just an addition. It's an opportunity to shape the future of your goats. From improving genetics to fostering harmony, the right buck can make all the difference. With careful planning and patience, the transition can be smooth and rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on raising happy and healthy goats. Thanks for watching, and here's to your thriving herd.